Hi friends, today I'm gonna be a crazy trader. So lots of viewers just asked me to show the tutorial with little money. So as you see on the screen, I have only $50 on my account, and let's see how many wins, how many losses I will have at the end of the trade. So I hope everything will be okay, and I want to kindly ask you to subscribe to my channel, of course, if you like my tutorials. And if you want to see my videos again, you can just click the ring sign next to the subscribe sign, and you will get a notification when a new video is uploaded by me. Great! So it's the first win plus $40. This is crazy. So I can just tell you that this method is really one of the best methods, and I do use it very often. So you can just open an account. If you do not have, you can just go to the link below the video and you will get a demo account with 10,000 coins on it. You can just test this method lots and lots of times, and if you feel confident that this method really works good to you, then you can just open up a real account. So you lose nothing. You lose no, you don't lose money, you don't lose time, because this is really the part of learning. So the third, this is the second win. No, the second win. Great job. Plus $70. Oh my god. So at this moment I can tell you that the method is perfect, but trading is not over. We can just go on. 160. Let's bet all the money. So this money management, the way I trade now is really a little bit risky. So if you do not have much money in the pocket, I do not suggest you to trade like this. So you can just divide into maybe some parts. It depends how much you have on your account. For example, if you trade on expert option, you can the minimum deposit is $50. So you can just trade with $5 for each trade. For IQ option, for example, you can just deposit $10, minimum $10, so you can just start up with $1. Great job! This is just awesome. As you see, I am trading for about 3 minutes, and I have only 3 wins and no losses. So I can tell you that the method is really awesome. So you have to try it. You have to test it lots and lots of time. And as you see on the screen, I use only 2 indicators: stochastic oscillator on 26, 6 and 6, and also MACD on 12, 26 and 9. So these 2 indicators are my loveliest indicators, because MACD, for example, is one of the simplest and most effective oscillators ever created. So it's a trend following indicator. This indicator is well suited to identify entry and exit points. So it also provides corresponding signals in the beginning and in the end of the trend. So I had a draw for the last trade, but it's okay. So till now I had 4 wins and 1 draw. This is really good result. So also I want to speak about some tips of the successful trader that you have to remember. So you have to know that successful trader has always a little bucket of a risk capital and the big bucket of the money they are saving for retirement or another long-term goals. So big bucket money tends to be invested more in longer duration positions. It's not absolutely forbidden to use this money for a day trade, but the odds should be higher, much more higher in our favor. So this is great. The 4 win and 1 draw. I can just repeat and repeat that method really works. Method is really awesome. So you lose nothing. You have to try it, and of course do not forget and then do not forget to be patient. So I bet all of my money. So successful day traders often don't trade every day. They may be in the market at their computer, but if they don't see any opportunities that meet their criteria, they will not execute a trade that day. Sometimes I repeat in the video that, and I trade maybe only for 2 times, for 3 times. If I see that the market is really unsteady, I don't trade in such a situation. So you can just before you start trading on a real account, you can just open your demo account whenever you had, and just you can just check the market. So if you see that this is that it's steady and quite normal for that day, then you can just open your real account and start trading. So you can just plan your trades and then trade your plan. So of course you have to be disciplined, because you need to set a trading plan and then stick to it. If you are trading on your own, some emotional behavior can be your worst enemy. So do not expect to get rich on a single trade. As I said to you, the worst thing with the trading is your emotions. So you have to leave them. You have to leave your emotions, your fears at the door. Just you have to choose one plan, one trading option, one method, one strategy, one tutorial, and you have to end it up to the end. So you don't have to bend from the method. So this is the coolest and the main rule. So let's see what will happen for that trade, because I bet more than $1,000. Great. So you don't have to be also afraid to push the button, because you don't have you have to leave your fear at the third and $2,800. I hope I will win, because this is really emotional. Oh my god. So as you see, I will show you the trading history at the end, but if you see the this video tutorial from the start, you can see that I have lots of wins and only 1 draw and no losses. So I can prove again and again that this method really works. So you can just open up a demo account, go to the link below the video. If you do not have a demo account yet, open a demo account. You will get 10,000 coins on it, and you can just test this method, and then you can just write your emotions, your thoughts in the comment. If I'm just very interested in your opinions, if this method, because this method is really awesome and this method really works good to me, and I can tell you that by this method I really got lots and lots of money, but I am interested in your opinions, because please write in comment how it works to you, if it's good or if it's bad. And oh my god, I have $7,000 and I had only 50. So you can see on the left side it's my history. This is just awesome method. You don't have to waste any time. So have a good day and have a good trade. Thank you very much.